Hey guys, today we are opening 8X Duckling boxes. Stick around for the end of the video for a giveaway. Cat will be opening first. OMG, no way! Legendary! My turn.
You got this. The luck.
I know, right? I saved up for the boxes, and I have her help me open them. That's why she gives me the pets back. Because they're my pets, I'm just letting her open the boxes. I have enough for a neon.
It's now my turn. The lag.
Oh, so cute! My turn now. Lol, I got flower duckling. Cat hates them.
I just don't like their color. And that flower on their head.
Okay, let's open more. OPP flower duckling. But she got legendary, so let's get that. My inventory is full of ducks. 2 more.
I'm so happy right now. Laura, I said happy.
Cat asked for a happy duckling to make neon, so of course, I'll give her one. Thanks for joining us. To join the giveaway, comment, like, and say your user and something nice. Good luck.